Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Wisal Ahmed. Today we will make new video in the continuation of our playlist which is about the Metasploit, and today we will try to get into the port number 80, which is about the HTTP. Now first of all we will scan our host, the Metasploitable 2, which is up and running in our local machine. So in previous videos we have explored these ports, and now we will try to get into the port 80, which is using the HTTP service with the version of 2.2.8. So what is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. WWW is about communication between web clients and server, and communication between clients, computers, and web servers is done by sending HTTP request and receiving HTTP responses, right? So we have web client, cloud, and web servers. All the communication done between them is through the HTTP request, right? So now we will check that our HTTP page is up and running. So we will type the IP of our Metasploitable machine, 150.1.7.15. Yes, it's up and running. And now let's check the PHP version. So PHP info.php. Now this is the PHP version, and all the information regarding this page is here, and lots of professionals turn this page off just for security purposes, right? So we have another way with which we can grab this information. So I will use the MSF console. I will open this. So I will search for the HTTP scanner version. And we will run something to find out what version and what version of Apache we have. So let's check version HTTP version. This one, the 74. So I will use 74, and let's check for the options. Okay, required is the only our host we need to set our hosts 150.1.7.15, right? So we need to run this. So we got the information which we are looking for, Apache 2.2.8, right? So we are running the Apache 2.2.8. Now we need to check what kind of exploits we have in the Apache server. So I will open a new terminal here, this one, and I will search for the SearchSploit with the Apache version in it and with the PHP. So search for the PHP in the Apache. So it tells us that in Apache PHP version 5.4.2 we have the vulnerability of the remote code execution CGI. So it is 5.4.2, so we will remember this. And now we will go back to our first terminal, and I will search for the PHP 5.4.2, and now we have the PHP CGI injection. So I will use one. Now I will look for the options. So options, and we need to set the R host. All others are set by default. So I will set R host 150.1.7.15. That's it. And now I will run the exploit. So now the session 1 is opened via this one, my local IP address and my port 4444, right? So let's see what it gives. Yes, this is Metasploitable. I am in this session, and we have the OS Linux Metasploitable 2.6 server and Metasploiter PHP Linux. So this is the path we are in. And now I will get UID. I will try other command, get UID, and this is the www data. This location has all the files which are for the web server, or the web related files are all stored here. So that's it for today's video, and see you in the next video.